Sisakuzo ekathi UBester uchwepheshe wezokuphepha kanye nesishoshovu sezobugebengu emphakathini KwaZulu-Natal uAndres Neyman uthi UBester waqala kudala uqola abantu esafunda isikole.
You can start at about 2006. This guy, I want to just start off by saying he's the most fascinating person that I've ever dealt with. The first mother actually met Tabu at a filling station in Morningside, and he was asking for money for a taxi to go and write his matric at Midrand. So being a wonderful mother, she said, no, hop in the car, and she drove him off to Midrand. And on the way to Midrand, of course, he exchanged ideas, but he was dressed up in a school uniform and he had scrolls. He most probably stole the blazer, but it had all the scrolls. He looked like a head boy. They start helping this guy. They take him to Mr. Price. They take him to Edgar's. They go and buy him uniform. They buy him an air ticket to go, because he said he was going to Craven Week. They bought him an air ticket. He was going to fly him up. And that's why we know the name is UBester, because they had to buy the air ticket. One of my Blockwatch members phoned me up and she said, my friend is in a car at the moment driving to OR Tambo with this con artist, and she suddenly realized he's not the guy he says he is. They then contacted her and said, when you get to the airport, park your car, go through to the escalators, and as you go up the escalators, we'll arrest him. That's exactly what happened. So as they were going up the escalators and she was carrying his bag to go and book him onto the plane, the cops arrested him. He's conned a lot of people, and he did incredible cons. He did some amazing things that I still don't understand how he got it right. He hired jets from Lanseria and flew them to businessmen to Cape Town and back without paying for it. He was very convincing. He was a decent looking person. He was neat, he was tidy, he was well behaved, nice mannerisms, everything. And I think that's what people were endeared to him because of that.